Hey guys, welcome to King's Tech Review and welcome to the first Avatar show. I'm super excited that you guys could join me here on my YouTube channel or on Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever you guys are watching from. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel so you can see a lot more of these episodes that is taking place right now. Guys, we're going to show you guys how we can get these avatars on this website, and not only avatars but chatbots and what have you, so we can drive leads and drive more sale for our customers. I got my son here named Victor. Victor, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. All right, good. So he's my youngest son. He's a little guy and he's full of energy. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, welcome back to this website here. So as we take a look around, we look at this website and off the bat we know this is a restaurant. And if you're searching for a restaurant in your area and you come to this website here, beautiful looking website, you want to know what they have to offer, all right? And when you look on this website, the first thing you're seeing is this motion moving. So then what you're looking at here is like, man, your eyes is going to be drawn to this and you're going to say, wow, what is this? So first thing you're going to do is see a play button. You're going to click it, okay? And you see the avatars moving. So let's click it and see what happens.
If you're looking for a quality bakery for your next event, you probably have a lot of questions, such as, do you create baked goods for the type of event I am having? Are you available for the date of my event? Or even, do your baked goods taste good? No matter your question, we have the answers. Whether you are looking for a wedding cake, cupcakes for a party, or even if you are looking for diabetic options for your event, we can help. Our bakers have years of experience providing tasty treats for...
Okay, so that is the avatar that is representing this website. So whatever your offers are, this avatar will translate that information to your guests. Okay, so see how cool and exciting an avatar could be on your website instead of just having a dull website. Yes, it looks beautiful and everything, but this avatar adds a special touch of life that brings the website to life and attracts more visitors and more customers. And right now, what I'm going to be showing you also in the next video is how a chat automation could collect information from your guests, from your customers, and build an awesome email list. Okay, so click on the link below and register if you need an avatar on your website just like this one. Okay, bye.